once I discovered doing cut creases, I just feel like you can really play with the shape of your eye and make it more almond or even wider. Hi everyone, my name is Isadi, and today we are going to recreate my favorite cut crease cat eye look that I enjoy making and wearing whenever I'm going out, or just for fun for those days that I want to feel like a baddie, that I want to feel fierce. Because this makeup look, what it really does is highlights your inner corners, and you can really accentuate the shape of your eye to create that illusion that it is a cat eye. In order to not make this video super crazy long, I decided that I'm only going to film just how to do my eye makeup, and if you guys are interested in learning how to do the rest of my skin makeup, let me know in the comment section and I can recreate that video as well. Makeup is all about creating illusions, so in today's beauty vlog, I am going to show you how to create that ultimate cat eye illusion. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to support, and let's just get started and dive right in. Got a cute little Valentine nail thing going on because I just had a photo shoot with a friend. Yes! Anyways, these are my nails. I'm going to use these cute little butterfly clips. We are back. Base makeup is done, and now we're gonna get into the eye. So I think for this one, I'll have to zoom in. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to zoom in a lot so you guys can kind of see what kind of makeup look I'm going to create. This is my favorite makeup, like I swear. I just love the cat eye shape that it's going to give me, and I'll show you guys how I do it. This is just the way I personally do my makeup, so by all means, there's different ways to do it. You know, you could find your own style. To make it even, I think you kind of have to go from one eye to the other one to try to make it as symmetrical as possible. Your eye makeup does not have to be twins. Let's try to make them sisters. I just like saying that because I feel like it takes off the pressure, the stress of trying to create symmetrical wings. And I'm still going to try, but just put me in a better mindset. Before I do my eyeshadow, I use a highlighter and I place it just right here, like right under my eyebrow to just give it that highlight and pop. What kind of makeup are we feeling? I think I want it to match my outfit, and I'm currently wearing just like a cute little crop top that's like kind of summery. I can show you the colors. It's just this one. I don't know, I think it's very cute, very date nighty, weekend kind of vibes going, and it matches my nails. So I'm thinking I should go with like Valentinesy, maybe like pink eyeshadow, or I could go with either a brown or a pink, but I think pink would be more fun, and I'm feeling girly with these nails or whatever. So let's go with pink. The eyeshadow palette that I think I'm gonna use today is gonna be the Venus Lime Crime. This palette is just so gorgeous. It's just one of my favorites at the moment. So we're gonna use it because I don't use her enough. I really need to get a makeup desk at some point. But for now, we are working with everything we got because the mentality is I have everything I need to succeed. Yep. Yes, you do. So we're gonna start off with like a medium sized brush. If you don't want to use these colors, you can use your own palette that you'd like. But let me zoom in, and this is gonna be really close so you guys can for my girlies and men who like to do makeup. So you can go in with whichever dark color you have, and what I like to do is dab it first to see kind of the placement that I want. I have a bad tendency, or sometimes that I have it, placing it a little lower, and I'm trying to create more of an uplifted eye look. So I'm going to place it right here, almost like pointing towards your temples, you know, if you see it this way, right there. So yeah, we're gonna start with that, and we're just slowly going to lightly blend it in. Okay, and then I'm going to even it out. So I'm pulling it out a little and then pulling it in, just following that crease line. And just know that wherever you place your powder first, it's gonna be darkest there. So you always want to place it in the corner and then blend it out into the inner corner of your eye. Like have it blend seamlessly into the rest. Yeah, we'll just do it like halfway like that. We're just going to lightly blend. I already love this cat eye. Okay, she's giving. We are going to use a slightly thinner brush compared to this one. You can see the difference. This one's more for adding your powder, and then this one will be for blending it. Yeah, I like to blend just the edges of my eyeshadow very gently. Now that it's like kind of even, we're just gonna darken it to our liking and apply more. So with the thinner brush, so we have a little bit more control, we're gonna start it here, just in the crease. Using a fluffier brush, or you can use the first one that you were using. I like to kind of bring it in. I like to have a little bit more control with my makeup, so we are going to use a thinner one, close the eyelid. My goal usually is not reaching the center of my eye, but rather placing the pigment and the color on the outside of the eye. I am just going to try to even it out because I feel like I always need a little bit of blending here. The next step, once you've applied your eyeshadow, is going to be concealer, and you're going to want to use a thin brush. You grab a little bit of your concealer, and then what I like to do is I like to place it a little bit here first, so that because it's so, you know, pigmented and there's a lot of product on this, I want to make sure that my inner corner is what is super clean. And then what I like to do is, so that I get the perfect height, I put some concealer in the center of my eye, and then I look up, and then wherever it stamps it is kind of where we're going to, yeah, you can just like follow that line. Since we just applied our concealer, our next step is adding our color, and I'm going to go in with the pink Bonbon from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar, and we're going to stamp that color on. And it's better to do this when your concealer is not fully dry yet, so that the color just transfers more beautifully. And then don't worry about this part, we are going to blend this out with a darker color. You can still apply your light color here, you know, kind of start trying to blend it. I like to do a few layers of the powders so that the color is a little more vibrant. And now let us do the other side. But as you can see, like, there is a difference in how my eye is being opened up with the lighter color in the inside and then the darker shade on the outside. Cool, so now that we have our eyeshadow down, we still have this section to blend. So what we're gonna do, or what I like doing, is I use a slightly darker color, which is like the darkest red that I have, and then I'm just gonna apply it here. If you have a color that's in between the dark and the light as well, you can also apply it here to make it even smoother transition. I don't think I really do. Oh, I have like a pink. Okay, let's try a pinkish. And we'll see if the transition, ooh, that one is bold, gets a little smoother. And this one, I just like, we're going to use just a fluffier brush and yeah, kind of just blend it a little bit. Same thing on this side. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay in the color Solstice, if I'm saying that correctly. It's like a pink shimmery color, and using a flat brush, I just dab it, and then you can apply it either on all of your eye or just the part that you're trying to blend. I think I'm kind of in the mood to do my whole eye, so let's just do the whole eye, just to give it that really cute shimmer. Because I couldn't find my black liner, we are going to be using my brown one. This is the Tattoo Liner Kat Von D, and we're just going to line our eyes first, starting with the outer corner. So I'm gonna turn my eye a little bit, and it's always hard, honestly, pretty challenging to make them even. Now that our eyeliner is done, I like to put a little bit of highlighter just to the inner corner of my eye to make the makeup look pop. And it really makes a big difference. Like it just brings the attention to the center of your face, and then I add a little bit under my eye, a little bit around, almost like a little circle. You can even add a little bit higher, like towards the inner corner. Now we are gonna apply our lashes. So before applying lashes, so that our natural lashes blend in with the ones we're gonna apply, we're gonna actually curl. I do a quick little curl and then just hold it for like 5-ish seconds. I like to kind of pulse a little bit just so that we get a little curl going, and I do the same on this side. Next, we're going to apply our lashes. So let's put on some glue first. Let it dry for a few seconds. But this is literally like the second hardest thing to do besides eyeliner. Like eyeliner is the hardest thing, I think, in trying to make it even. And the second part is just putting these on. I'm like, trying my best. Kind of hard with these nails. First lash is done. And I love how it really does open up your eyes, especially the lashes. Like it's the final touch to add that dramatic like glam. Is that even? I feel like it needs to be a little more. That was like the quickest application ever. This one just kind of like fit perfectly with my eye. And then what I like to do is kind of like press the ends a little bit higher so that we get that cat eye look. I'm gonna just go in with some mascara and just apply a little bit at the bottom to kind of balance out the dramatic top lashes with like a little bit of accentuated bottom lashes as well. Like wispy touch it. There we go. You can already tell the difference. Like it opens up your eye and draws more attention to it. So this one is like still needs that. So we will apply it also. And that is pretty much it for the eye look. I'll zoom out so you can see the final results. So this is the final look, and then you just do your lipsticks. For lips, I currently really like using the MAC, and this one is in the shade Spice. I overline very, very minimally, mostly at the top. So we're just going to, I start with the bottom, so we'll start here. And then fill it in. And then we're gonna do the top. And then to finish the look, I love, love, love these Fenty. The Fenty lip glosses are my obsession at the moment. I just love makeup, so yeah, so now that my makeup is done, let's just do my hair, and I'm ready for my weekend night out. And we are ready for our girls' night out. I hope you all enjoyed this quick little makeup tutorial and you found the eye look helpful. Please do tag me if you try this eye look. I would love to see the different variations you create and what colors you use. By all means, you know, you can definitely play with the light or shades that you have in your favorite palettes, and then using the dark colors for like the outer corner. I think that's pretty much all I had for today. If you like makeup videos, please like and subscribe to support. I also have videos on wellness and self-development. If that is something you're interested, I will have those links in the description. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!